Hello, my name is Chris, and in this video, I'll show you how to connect your Office 365 calendar account to Appointlet so you can easily track your meetings and prevent double bookings. Appointlet is an easy-to-use scheduling tool that helps companies book meetings online. When you start receiving a high volume of bookings, it's important to ensure your schedule in Appointlet conforms to your schedule outside the app. That's where Office 365 comes in. Simply connect your Office 365 account to your Appointlet account in the Calendar Sync settings. Under Meetings Calendar, select which calendar you'd like Appointlet to add meetings to when you get booked. Under Availability Calendars, you may check any calendars from within your connected account for busy events, so Appointlet knows you should not be available at those times. And that's all there is to it. With this configuration in place, you're ready to schedule confidently.